Okay, we are going to look at function range. It has one argument person, which I already used it a few times. Also has a 2 argument and then 3 argument persons. So let me just quickly look at the number in range with 1 argument. So basically this one will introduce the series of numbers from 0 up to 5, but not including 5. So each one will give us 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, but not including 5. So you may like to print, have a look. Number. I'm going to introduce AND with 1 space, so that there will be one number and then 1 space will be printed on console. So there is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, now including 5. Okay. There's a 1 argument person. There's another one. Okay. We call it as a 2 argument person. So there is a 1 argument person and then 2 argument person. So start from 5. Okay. Increase by 1. So 5 and 6. Okay. The first time will be 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. But it's not going to include 10. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Not including 10. Start. That's the end. So there's another one, we call it as a 3 argument version. So let me say start from 0. Okay, we continue until 10, but not including 10, but increase by 2, for example. We call it as a step. Okay. So what will happen is here going to be 0. Okay, increase by 2. So it will be 2, and then 4, 6, and then 8, not including 10. Okay, that's what we're going to have. Of course, you can use the negative number, -2. Okay. Case, you have to be careful about your input. Let's say start from 10 until 0. Okay. So that way we can have a 10, 8, 6, and then 4 and 2, then until 0. Okay. The 0, but it's not going to be included. So start from 10, okay, decrease by 2, so it will be 8, and then decrease by 2, 6, and 4, and 2, and then the last one is 0, so we stop printing, okay? So 10, 8, 6, and 4, and 2. That's how you're going to use range function, okay? 1 argument version and 2 argument version, or 3 argument versions, like here. Okay, there are 3 versions you can use. That's all. Thank you.